I spent the last 2 weeks generating AI videos to see which would fit my list of requirements and make it to the best channel ideas to start with AI niche. First up, the animal niche is incredibly popular on YouTube, with channels amassing millions of views and generating substantial revenue. One video example has over 800,000 views and consists of a simple script, voiceover, and B-roll footage, all elements that AI can efficiently handle. Using tools like invideo AI, you can create similar content quickly and easily. Simply enter a prompt describing the video you want to create, and the AI will generate a script, add a voiceover, find appropriate B-roll footage, and even include subtitles if needed. This process can take as little as 10 minutes, showcasing the power of AI in content creation. If you want to learn how to use invideo AI to generate video, I made a full video on my channel teaching you. Link in the description. In the animal niche, you can monetize through ads, earning about $4 per 1,000 views. With over 40 million views, that's at least $160,000. Plus, you can promote animal products and earn commissions. For example, this channel links to an Amazon influencer page. When viewers click and buy, the channel owner earns a commission. Lots of traffic means lots of money. Next, the travel niche. Perfect for AI-generated content. Let's take a look at Touropia, getting 2.6 million views every month, even without recent uploads. That's pure profit. You can easily create similar or better videos using AI. Instead of copying existing content, think broader. Showcase the best hotels, restaurants, tourist scams, and more. Here's a tip: focus on unique sub-niches and video formats. Touropia covers popular locations with long video lengths. You can do the same with AI. Use prompts like create a 50-minute travel guide for best destinations in Europe for summer 2024. Specify the video length, voiceover type, and background music. AI does the rest. Now, let's look at the health niche. This simple video has over 8.5 million views. Made with an AI tool years ago, it's generated over $40,000. With 160 million views, this channel is close to $1 million in AdSense revenue. Promote health products like supplements and skincare for high commissions. Other niches to consider include motivation, history, and more. Focus on sub-niches and video formats to maximize your success. Once you've chosen your niche, you need a bulletproof plan to get views. Check out my free YouTube keyword research masterclass link below. There you have it, the best faceless YouTube channel ideas using AI in 2024. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content.